everybody in YouTube land. This is Jessica Bugg, the Jessica Bugg, top writer, blogger, author of a new book coming out in the spring, and possibly an extra book thanks to Uncle Princess Devin, the only. I am here at Speedway, one of my favorite gas stations. You know, I love all gas stations. I had to stop in, get my drink. I had to talk to my people, you know, get the goings on in the neighborhood. If you're ever in Jacksonville, the Speedway's the best one. It's the one on Bowden Road, near the south side. It's fantastic. Yes, my hair is down. I actually have wavy, curly hair. Who knew, right? So I'm coming at you because I meant to upload more stuff today, but I couldn't because I had to do some other things. But today we're going to do writing prompt number 5. I think we're 5. If not, it's going to be 5 anyway. We're going to have 2 5s. So today I want you to write about your mother, but not from your perspective. I want you to write about your mother as other people saw her. I know, right? It messes with you, okay? Because, like, think about my mother. You know, my mother was actually really, really cool. Like, she was super trendy, she still is, very fashionable. She always read the latest magazines and, like, would party backstage with bands. And I was so embarrassed because I thought she needed to be more conservative. And looking back, I was just an asshole. So your writing prompt today is to write about your mother, but from the human perspective, not the mother perspective. I want you to think about a character profile of how the world saw your mother. Jessica, I don't have a mother. I don't know my mother. My mother, I was immaculately conceived. Think of any other woman in your life then. It could be daughter, sister, a friend. It could be, if you don't have any of those, it could be a lady you see at the grocery store. And I want you to imagine her not from your relationship, how you see her, but how the world sees her. So everybody, happy writing, and I will talk to you later.